Namaste everyone, welcome you all my YouTube channel Risa Yoga. In my last video on Ekpad Rajkapot Asana, I have received your many comments and some of you are asking that we are sir not ready for this posture, we are not able to sit on the floor, how we can practice this. So there are some more pre-practices that known as the modern yoga drills. I run my courses for modern yoga drills where I teach the yoga trainers or the general practitioner like the students like you all to how to practice with the support of the block, with the support of the props, how you can make your body more comfortable or more flexible to practice any kind of postures. So let's start this video. In this video I'm gonna teach you how you can practice Ekpad Rajkapot Asana with the support of the block, with the support of the strap. So let's start. In the previous video I have showed you how to keep the pelvis completely square. Right now I'm sitting and my body is completely straight. I am not tilting it side. Once the practitioners or the beginner, we are talking about the beginner here, so when they take the position, the pelvis always sit like this, so the body tilt one like this, or they are not able to sometimes to sit on the floor and they just practice like this. So in that situation, what you can do, first thing, prepare yourself for this posture and sit on the block. So take the block, place it under your thigh and keep the leg at front, so your back leg can twist internally nicely and you can sit completely straight. Once you are in this position, try to relax for a while and you will start feeling the stretch on your glutes, on your thigh muscles nicely. So you need to practice this one, and then after that you can try to come up, sit straight, push yourself nicely back. So this is how you can prepare yourself for the sitting. Okay, if you feel that my body is tilting one side, what you can do, you can use another block here and try to lift your body up. With this support, lift your body up. So I'm using my right arm, placing my quad, trying to twist more and more and bringing my pelvis, okay, my left pelvis at the front. So square your pelvis, hold here for a while, and day by day when you will practice this, your muscle will get this programming and it will become flexible and you will be able to sit nicely straight. So practice simply like this. Now after this practice, the next part comes bend the leg and to hold. So see, holding the leg is easy. We can hold. In the previous video I have showed you how you can flex your quadriceps, because here the quad pressure comes. We are working on Rajkapot Asana on the glutes but on the different muscles as well. So here you need to hold the leg and we rotate the elbow nicely up. So for this rotation, if you are not ready how you can practice, you can use the strap here. Now observe, let me show you how to use the strap here. So see, I already made the loop for you. So you can make a loop like this. Take the strap back, take your leg back nicely. Keep your leg at front a little bit, so it will be easy for you to sit. After this, you just need to lift, rotate. It become easy for you to rotate from here. Okay, hold in the beginning. Doesn't matter your leg is closed in the beginning or the far. Just try to sit like this because you need shoulder opening from here. Okay, now you can see my scapula when I am rotating from here, so is inside, is adducting movement. But when I am rotating my elbow up, my scapula is going outside, so it's outer movement. And when my arms are at the back, so the shoulder is going into the socket completely. So need to learn all these things and slowly try to catch your leg and lift up. So open your shoulder first to rotate this. Every time when you are sitting, just rotate, give this movement to your shoulder. Alright guys, so practice like this frequently, how to rotate. You can use the pole, and with the support of the pole, at the end of this video I will attach another video, and that I will show you how you can learn to rotate, because that rotation will work you for in Dhanurasana, when we try to hold the leg and we rotate and come into complete Dhanurasana, Rajkapot Asana, Purna Bhujangasana. We all required all these things, so the rotation of the shoulder. Because if you are beginner, if you have the stiff shoulder, if you never practice or never rotate our shoulder before, so it's difficult for us to rotate. Okay, so that we need to understand, we need to prepare the body according to that. So I'm showing you again, rotating, hold, Doesn't matter your leg is far, no problem. If you can, go more and more and more and more and more and more close. Okay, now see. Now after this, hold and just lift. I'm pushing my chest more and more out, so my shoulders can open, my rib cage can open easily. Here I can breathe, so I'm trying to square my body as well. So this is how you can try from right side and the left side from the both side. Now how to make the curve if you are not able to catch your leg. Let me also show you how you can practice and open your back. So before practicing Rajkopot Asana, like I have showed you in the previous video, the how to square the pelvis, and the another thing comes how to rotate the elbow. Third thing is backward bending. Remember, we need to open the pelvis area completely. So let me prepare you for that as well. For that, it's very easy practice. First you need to lie down on your back. Give me a second. Okay. So once you are in the final position, here you need to bring your tailbone towards your pubis, so your sacrum region can relax here. So it's really important to know where is the sacrum region. Sacrum is a V-shaped bone which is between the pelvis. Okay, that should come completely down. So there should be no gap on your lower back. Relax for a while, lengthening your spine. Hold here for a while. Relax your lower back. And after this, we will use the block. You need to keep the block in vertical positions just like this. With the press your toes down nicely with the support of your legs. Try to lift your glutes up higher and higher. Lift your pelvis and then set the block. Just right away on your sacrum region. Once you feel that it is on sacrum region, you can feel completely, okay, and relax here. You can place your arm here, you can place your arm at the side where you feel completely comfortable, and hold here for a while. It's really important to relax first. Now once you feel that I am completely comfortable with this, try to straighten your legs nicely, okay, and no need to stretch the leg, you can just loose and relax. And when you will take this final position, you will feel the opening of your lower back, the sacrum region, the pelvis region, and the nice stretch on your quads and on your pelvis muscle. It will help you, it will prepare you to open all these muscles for the final position of Ekpad Rajkopot Asana. Backward bending will improve day by day once you will start practicing with the support of the props. Now once you feel comfortable, try to bend your one leg and drop it. Just simply like this, and hold here for a while. And you will feel the more stretch on your quads after taking this position. Observe my left leg is still relaxed. So practice one by one. Once you're done with right leg, try to practice the same from left side. Now observe. Feel the stretch completely on your lower belly. Feel the opening of your rib cage. Feel the stretch on your quads. Keep your knee down nicely towards the floor. And then bend your another leg as well. So this time we will try with the both leg. So take your leg in as much as you can. Try to drop your knee. I am holding the block nicely. Good. Now see the curve in my back. Natural curve is completely relaxed, but I am feeling the nice stretch on my quads. Let the block tilt, no problem. And once you feel comfortable, that you can come back very easily. Okay, so this is how you can come back and release the pelvis. And this backward bending will help you to open your rib cage, because once we are in the final position of Rajkopot Asana, see what happens is our sternum come out. Okay, this position, and it was same happening in the with the block. So this is how you can train yourself, and you will feel the nice opening of your lumbar region. This time I can feel my lumbar region is completely relaxed now after this stretch. So these are the all practices that you can practice for the Ekpad Rajkopot Asana. And if you have any other question, please guys write me down and comment. As much as you will comment, I will see that you are taking all interest in my videos, and I will explain the postures more deeply in more details. And I am running my 200 hours teacher training program, Master Yogic course that I have designed, including yoga therapy. I will teach you in that, and short courses I have for the related to the pranayam, and I have the workshops, arm balance workshop, animal flow workshop. If you are guys interesting, so let me know, and I can also add you in my regular yoga classes so that you can attend. And every time, every day I set the different topic. You will have many things to learn every day. Okay, so please contact me. You can write me, you can share my videos with others too. Many of the teachers, many of you guys can learn about all these things, all the small points. So if you have any other thing that you want to learn in this, so please ask me on Raj Kapoor Asana or any other things. Thank you so much.